Hi everyone. Now I'm going to talk about the pie chart and the divided bar graph in grade 7 maths under the probability. Now this section is very important in your exams. There's some interesting questions comes mainly with the data. Now this question I'm going to read it for you. On particular Saturday, Sanjay measured the number of hours he spends on different activities. He spent 1 hour on television, 2 hours on internet, 4 hours on sports, 3 hours on homeworks. Now you have to draw a pie chart and divided and bar graph. There are two plotting methods. Pie chart, as you know, that is the circle, 360 degrees, and you have to make it to portions, and you have to find this angle. Or maybe you can find as a fraction. Now, first step is actually, first I clear this one. Now, you make a table and category, you have to category columns and the proportion. Proportion, how we make it? Now, you have to add all the hours. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. How much total hours? Then television, he watched 1 hour. Then television, if you're going to mark it, then you have to divide this whole circle into 10 portions. That means this is 180. Then it should be 5 pieces. That means 360 divided by 10, 36. 3, 4, 5. Then roughly that is 5 pieces of within 160 degrees, 180 degrees. Now, how you get 136 degrees is 1 over 10 is 360 multiplied by and 36. Now, each sector portion is 36 degrees. Then TV is 1 over 10. Actually equal to 36 degrees. And internet, there are 2 portions. 2 over 10 simplified 1 over 5. 1 over 5 multiplied by 360 is 72 degrees. Then you get here to here, if you measure, it is 72 degrees. Or either you make it into 2 pieces, because you are making 10 pieces of this circle. Then 2 belongs to this internet. Now next one, sports, 5 over 10 equal to 2 over 5. 2 over 5 multiplied by 360 is 144. Now 144 degrees, this angle. Now next one, homework. Homework is 3 over 10. 3 over 10 means 360, 108 degrees. That is this part. If you look at that, how many portions like TV, this is 3. This should be twice. That's mean 4 and 2 and 1. Total will be 10. Now this is the pie chart to represent. That's all. That you just get this table right, you are okay. Now I'm going to talk about the divided bar graph. Now how you divide it? Divided bar graph, that you can get this decimal, how much? It's 0.2. And this is this is 0.1, this is 0.2, this is 0.4, this is 0.3. Then you got all the fraction into decimal and you mark it in your book. The TV is 0.01, but you can pick a length. Now this example, they said total length is 6 centimeter. Then because you have portion or decimal, you can find out how much should be the TV. TV should be 0.1. 6 centimeter multiplied by 0.1. That is 0.6 centimeter. 0.6 centimeters. So 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters, and this one should be 6 millimeter. 1 over 10 is 6 millimeter. Then you mark 6 millimeter portion. Now, likewise, this is 0.2. Then it is 1.2 centimeters. You mark 1.2 centimeters. And this one 0.4. This means 4 divided by 10 multiplied by 6 centimeter, and 24 divided by 10 is 2.4 centimeters. And this portion will be 2.4. And next one, 3 over 10 multiplied by 6 centimeter equal 1.8 centimeter. So this is 1.8. Now 1.8, 2.4, and 1.2, and plus 0.6 millimeter, 0.6 centimeter, or 6 millimeters. Now this all together 6 centimeter. And this is very important based on the graph you want to represent on your book. You should select a number and using the fraction and multiply by that number, and you get that what is the length you should be plot. That is called divided bar graph. Okay, now this is time for you to do more homework, and we see you next session.